Mike Hughes here again, and I'm with Vantel Pearls now. And Brianna, you're going to tell us a little bit about these pearls.
Yes, so Vantel Pearls is actually a direct sales company, and we are the oldest pearl company around. We have been around for 29 years. So we actually work really closely with our oyster farmers, which here I actually will open up oysters, and these are some of the pearls that I've actually opened.
Nice.
So they actually, they do insert a irritant in them and everything, but we never know what color or size. And the oysters are harvested at the end of their life cycle, so they're never harvested too soon. So they're always at the end of their life cycle. So so there's all sorts of pieces. So we have.
Where are your oyster farms for these? Are they all over the world or what?
I want to say they're in Asia.
But you don't.
I don't know for sure because I can't remember. Because I actually just started with Vantel in
It's
November.
near Australia. I'm kidding. Asia. That whole thing.
Yeah, it's Asia. But I have items for not just the women. I have keychains that men can as well. So you have dog tags, and see these are different oysters. See, there's a anchor right here and an anchor here, and they all have. But I have rings and necklaces, and even bracelets.
And those are all the natural colors from the oysters.
Well, these ones are
from the pearls.
These ones here are heavily dyed, except for the one that is dangling.
Oh wow! They're really
so
similar.
you end up, and these are actually really easy to put on and off. So they make for great for jumping into the water.
Wow, that was
that
was fast. 6 milliseconds.
Yeah, and so I can even stack a whole bunch on quickly and make
Beach to bar in no time at all.
For real.
Okay, well, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.